The story begins with a traveler. A traveler unlike any machine humanity ever imagined. It carries not just metal and circuits, but the curiosity and imagination of a species. This is Voyager 1, the farthest object ever made by human hands. It does not rest on Earth, nor circle the Moon, nor orbit the familiar planets. It drifts forward alone, weightless and untethered, into the silent ocean of space. A sea with no maps, no harbors, only endless night. Voyager launched in the summer of 1977. Small and fragile, no larger than a family car. Its computers were weaker than the phones we carry today, its power faint. Yet inside that frame lived something bold, a leap of faith, a mission that would forever change how we see the cosmos. Now, decades later, Voyager has traveled more than 22 billion kilometers. A distance almost beyond imagination, and still it endures. Its signal, weaker than a dim light, still whispers across the void. Earth still listens. Giant antennas stretch into the dark, catching its faint voice. Voyager continues to speak. But its legacy isn't distance, it's discovery. In the 1960s, engineer Gary Flandreau found a rare planetary alignment. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would line up once every 176 years. Using gravity's pull, a craft could leap from one world to the next, each planet flinging it farther, like a stone skipping across the solar system. NASA seized the chance. 2 probes were built. Voyager 2 launched first, Voyager 1 followed 15 days later. The plan was simple, a 4-year mission to study Jupiter and Saturn. But what followed defied imagination. At Jupiter, Voyager found a world alive with storms, cyclones larger than Earth, and a magnetic field immense and wild. It saw Io erupting with rivers of fire, the first active volcanoes beyond Earth. At Saturn, it revealed rings delicate and complex, with tiny moons dancing among them. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, hid beneath a thick orange haze, its atmosphere echoing the chemistry of early Earth. Voyager 2 went farther still, the only craft to visit Uranus and Neptune. It found tilted magnetic fields, methane storms, and icy volcanoes erupting frozen gas. Faint dots became living worlds. All achieved with astonishingly simple technology, 68 kilobytes of memory, 23 watts of power, and yet, Earth still heard. Voyager was more than a mission. It was proof humanity could reach beyond the known, into the eternal dark of interstellar space. Then came the final frontier, the edge of the Sun's influence, where its winds yield to the galaxy. The helipause, invisible, immense. Would Voyager survive to reach it? On August 25, 2012, at 121 times Earth's distance from the Sun, it crossed the line, the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. Instruments recorded a storm of cosmic rays, ripples in plasma, as if it had entered a hidden ocean of sound. Yet the magnetic field stayed the same. Voyager lingered between 2 realms, not fully within the solar system, not yet part of the galaxy. Even today, scientists still debate what it found. Now it drifts outward, toward the Oort cloud, a vast halo of icy bodies and ancient debris. Crossing it will take 30,000 years. By then, humanity will have changed, perhaps even vanished. Yet Voyager will still be there, silent, enduring, carrying the memory of its makers. Its power comes from plutonium, slowly fading with time. One by one, its instruments go dark. By the 2030s, its voice will fade, its signal lost among the stars. Earth will listen one last time, then silence. But silence is not the end. Voyager carries the golden record, a message for eternity. A time capsule etched with greetings in 55 languages, the sounds of Earth, waves, thunder, laughter, music. Images of DNA, mountains, forests, animals, and human faces, a portrait of who we were. A love letter to the cosmos, a declaration that we existed, that we dreamed, that we reached beyond our world. And perhaps someday, someone will find it, in ancient civilization, or distant descendants of humanity. They will hear our voices, our laughter, our music echo across time. They will know that on a pale blue world around a small yellow star, life once rose and dared to wonder. Voyager is more than a spacecraft. It is a monument to persistence, a symbol of courage, imagination, and endless curiosity. It turned faint points of light into living worlds. It carried our questions to the edge of the galaxy. And now, as it drifts into the infinite dark, it whispers across the ages, what lies beyond the horizon?